Hi! In this video, I will show you how does Telegram bots work. But what is Telegram? Telegram is a messaging app with a focus on speed and security. It's super fast, simple and free. You can use Telegram on all your devices at the same time. Your messages sync seamlessly across any number of your phones, tablets or computers. With Telegram, you can send messages, photos, videos and files of any type, doc, zip, MP3, etc., as well as create groups for up to 200,000 people or channels for broadcasting to unlimited audiences. You can write to your phone contacts and find people by their usernames. As a result, Telegram is like SMS and email combined, and can take care of all your personal or business messaging needs. You can read more about Telegram in official Telegram website. And now, how we can create a Telegram bot. We can create a Telegram bot with botfather. Botfather is an official Telegram bot that rule all bots. Let me show you. Open your Telegram, then search for botfather. Start botfather and send new bot command. Send your bot name. And send your bot username, which must end with bot. If username available, Telegram gives you an HTTP API key. Now, you have a Telegram bot. But, how does your bot work? When a user send a message to your bot, because your bot connected to Telegram server, Telegram give us in data in JSON format. Data contain information about user and message. Like what is message? Is text or photo or video? What is message text? What is user first name and last name? And so on. Let me show you. Go to Telegram website. In Telegram bot doc, read about making request. Copy this link and paste it in new tab. Telegram have a method called get updates. With that method, you can get the JSON data of users' messages. To make a request, your URL must be in this format. This URL have three parts. The first part is Telegram bot API. All your requests must send to this API. The second part is bot keyword with your Telegram bot token. Replace token with your Telegram bot token. And last part is the method name. Now, let's use get updates method and make a request. Go to botfather and copy your bot token. Open your browser and go to new tab. Replace token with your Telegram bot token. Go to Telegram bot doc and copy the get updates method. Replace method name with get updates, then press enter to see result. You can see result is empty, because nobody send message to our bot. So, go to botfather and click on your bot username, and start your bot. Now you send a message with the start text to your bot. Back to your browser and reload the page. You can see this time result is not empty. Copy JSON data. And go to this website. Paste copy text here and click on Tree Viewer. Now you can see information about the message. Like, message ID and message text. And about user. Like, ID, first name and last name. I think that's enough for this video. Like and share video with your friend if you enjoy it. In the next video I will show you how to create a simple Telegram bot with PHP. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.